Hey! Today I'll show you how to fix a broken swivel on Sony MDR XB650BT headphones so that you can use them again. This repair is very simple and can also be useful for gluing other headphones. Just keep in mind that after gluing, the repaired side of the headphones will no longer swivel. But I prefer fixed, working headphones and saving money, rather than buying new ones. To glue the headphones, the first step is to make sure they still work and that the wires are not damaged. If the headphones don't work, then gluing them makes no sense because the cables need to be repaired first. Since mine still work, I can safely glue them. The first step is to gently widen the gap at the broken spot and fill the swivel mechanism with glue, both in the hole and on the pin itself. Then, it's important to put back together the headphones straight while gluing, because if they stick turned, you won't be able to fix that later. Once the glue has hardened, take baking soda. Yes, baking soda, because combined with superglue, it creates instant cement. Put on the soda into the gap and brush off the excess with an old toothbrush. You can even use grandma's, but put it back afterward. Put on baking soda on the other side as well, and brush off the excess. Then use painter's tape to keep safe the areas you don't want to smear with glue. Next, apply superglue all around the gap, but not too much, otherwise it will drip. You can use the corner of a thin piece of paper to help the glue flow deeper. Then apply more superglue again. Sprinkle baking soda on top of the glue, making sure it gets into the gap. Brush off the excess soda. Continue layering baking soda and superglue. This will ensure the headphones won't break again at this spot. Finally, brush off all the baking soda and remove the painter's tape, even the bits that stuck. Only the glue should remain. Now apply new painter's tape along the glued seam and use a nail file, grandma's works fine, to smooth out the extra glue layer. Try to get the seam as smooth as possible. Wipe off the glue dust, remove the tape, and further clean up the seam. Then use an alcohol prep pad or another degreaser to clean the glued area. After the surface is dry, tape along the seam again. Then, find some nail polish, again, grandma's will do, and paint over the glue seam. This way the glue is less visible and the headphones look better. Apply several coats of nail polish until you're satisfied with the result. Before the polish dries, remove the painter's tape. And that's it! Repaired Sony MDR XB650BT headphones. You can fix XB950 headphones the same way, saving you from buying new ones, and letting you use these for years to come. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them below this video. And now, I wish you good luck and success.